we're heading to my office. We're going to put everything back in there after we got the carpeting. If you were here before, we put carpeting throughout the whole second floor. There's 3 rooms up there. We have our bedroom, our guest bedroom, which I did in a video previously, and now the office. So let's head in there and see what we've done. We brought in my desk and we decided to put it in a different location. Originally, I had it over by the 2 windows, but it's kind of got its own little nook now, and I really like it here. So I'm glad we decided to do that. The shelf unit that used to be on the wall where my desk is up against, we now put into the corner of the room, but catty corner. So when you're looking into the room, the first thing you kind of see is the shelves. And as you can see, my closet was just a mess. Everything was in there. I slowly took everything out and started working on slowly organizing everything again. Truly feels never ending. Stuff everywhere. I keep moving everything around, back and forth, back and forth. This shelf I think I'm putting right up here, right next to the desk. And putting some artwork on this wall. That is not staying the way it is, but for now, entering the closet, I have this little lamp plugged in here for now, just so I could see in here. It's still a little messy, but slowly but surely we're getting there. We cleaned up most of the stuff off the floor so that we only have the cushion, my bag. Other than this shelf right here, I think I like the way all this came out. done with the shelves. Pretty much the same on the first three. Okay, the big reveal. Here we go. Here's the shelf unit. We now have, I think this is how we're gonna have them. We have a couple candles burning to make it look pretty. Okay, and then we're going to move over to the desk. Oh my goodness, doesn't it look pretty? We need some wall art. It's going to happen. It's going to happen. That calendar's not going to stay there. It's there for now. Also, I have this lamp here, but mainly for light. I don't know if I'm going to keep that one there or if I'm going to get something else for there. And then when we turn to this corner, we have our little plant. Again, this artwork is going to change. As you can see, I have holes in here and patches and stuff. So this is going to get all changed up. And then we have our closet. I'm going to grab this light because you won't be able to see in there. And then I have these little string lights, the fairy lights that are in here. This shelf, like I said, not shelf, but this little 3-tier thing is going to go near my desk. I'm going to hang it on the wall. My little charging station. I can actually charge my stuff here. Go back out here. And that's the office. I still have to do something with that bird cage. All done. New rug, nice and cozy, as you can see. And this little thing under the chair is going to get changed as soon as I get the one from Amazon. It's going to be longer and sit better on the rug. This one slides around. Organized and clean. And that's how it looks so far. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.